Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled in the quiet community of Holiday Hills. Boasting an open-concept interior, this spacious residence features a large kitchen and dining area equipped with newly replaced stainless steel appliances. The kitchen is a highlight with its modern stainless steel appliances, making it a perfect space for cooking and entertaining. The interior design emphasizes an open layout, creating a seamless flow between the living spaces. Additionally, there is a dedicated utility room for laundry, adding to the home's convenience. The large backyard is fully enclosed with chain-link fencing, providing a secure area for outdoor activities. For parking, there is a carport suitable for a small sedan or motorcycle. The roof was replaced in 2022. This delightful house offers ample space for comfortable living and